everyone, it's Amela. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a cook with me feature. We're making a Spanish Dominican type of rice it's like white rice with yellow corn inside and onions. I'm going to show you guys the process with some chicken wings. And these are some of the products I'll be using. So I love this rice. It's the Royal Basmati rice, definitely better than the Jasmine. I have Himalayan pink salt, some extra virgin olive oil, and I love these glass bottles in the dark tint. I just get these from Costco. And then, so we have the little, I'm gonna mash up the garlic with salt and pepper, just golden sweet corn, the little chicken bouillon cubes. We're gonna chop up the onion now, some cilantro, and that's it for now. So I did pre-wash the rice, but I guess the clip got like deleted or something. I don't know what happened, but definitely make sure to pre-wash the rice. So it's like about one of these bottles, and just get a little bit from the second one. And then we're putting in that beautiful Himalayan pink salt. With some olive oil. Like 1 or 2 tablespoons. So here I'm just chopping up the onions now. For some reason, these just make my eyes super watery. So I was tearing up. Who else hates when that happens?
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
So I am the world's slowest garlic peeler. I don't know who else can relate to me, but the other day I was trying to do this recipe and it called for so much garlic. Not like a few cloves, but literally like so much. It was like 3 of the big garlic pieces themselves, and then you had to like break down the cloves and peel them and mince them. And it was just like so much, and then the whole kitchen smelled like garlic. The whole fridge smelled like garlic. So that's like one of the worst things I feel like, because so many recipes call for garlic. It's such like a main ingredient that you can't get around to it. And then like, yeah, I could have bought some minced garlic from the store and made my life a lot easier. But I think we had went to like the farmer's market or something here and just like got a really good deal on garlic. So I'm like, okay, let me just do it myself. How time consuming can it be? And now I know I'll probably just go to the store and buy some. And here I was just trying to cut out some of like the bad pieces that I saw.
And then you're going to take some black pepper, pour it in there.
And now you're just going to be taking some black pepper, that Himalayan salt. Regular salt is okay. We've just been using this for a while now. And then you're just going to mash everything up together. This is really helpful, like if you've had a stressful day at work, or you just, you know, you're having a bad day in general. This kind of helps relieve some of that stress. And I just want to give you guys an update. This is how the rice is coming out so far. Okay, sorry guys, so my editing software was just adding up. Here I'm showing all of the seasonings that I'm using. I'm using the olive oil. I have the complete seasoning, which is the Sazon Completa. I have the Sazon Goya. I have the adobo. I have onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt. We're gonna cut one lime again in half and just squeeze out the juices. I have that mojo marinade, again you can find in the international aisle. I have tomato paste, and the main ingredient is that sofrito. We already had some made in the fridge and we just put it in that nice glass mason jar. And then that garlic that we mashed up earlier, the garlic with the black pepper and salt, you just want to put that in there as well. And then just mix everything in together. And honestly, I didn't use any exact measurements for this. Everything is just eyeballing it, making sure that it's enough to cover all of the chicken and that, you know, it doesn't come out bland, that you have a lot of seasonings and spices in there. Or, you know, it'll be just to your preference. If you want to take out something, or if you don't want to add it, it'll just be up to you. Sorry, I tried to fast forward through all of this so it wouldn't be as long. But pretty much now I'm just mixing everything in together. Just make sure to mix it in good, get your hands dirty. And just make sure all those spices are absorbed. And then I did let it sit for an hour just so that all the flavors could blend well together. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven. And we just used chicken wings today, but you can use whatever your preference is. You don't have to use chicken wings. That's just what we had and decided to go with, and it came out great. And then pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for like about an hour and a half until it turns a really nice color. And we're putting it in the oven. And I will show you guys the final result in a little bit. So now I just got half a stick of margarine. You're gonna just let it melt down on like medium heat. And for all my vegans out there, there is a really good vegan butter that I love. It's called Melt. It tastes really good, so you can just substitute that as well. And then I'm going to be adding in the onions that we diced up earlier in there, and the corn in the can with the juices and everything, and just stirring that together, letting it saute. And that's the chicken bouillon cube. So it's the Maggi, the yellow and blue one. You can find it at Publix in the international foods aisle, or Walmart, or whatever store is close to you. I'm sure that they'll carry it. So now that the onions and corn have sauteed a little bit, I just took all that white rice and dumped it in there, and then you're just gonna stir it around together, and then add in some cilantro on top, and then keep stirring that. Okay, so the chicken is finally done, you guys. It was on 350 for like about an hour and a half. That's how you want it to look. Broil it for that nice color. And then I already plated it for you guys. So we have the rice, sprinkle just a little bit more of cilantro on there, the chicken, and the avocado. Just pour some olive oil, salt, and pepper. And there it is. Let me know if you guys make Let me know in the comments if you made this at home or remakes. I would love to see you guys share. Thank you again for watching.